So the up-down lab is now complete, and it's time to do the analysis here. So for those people that are listening at home, they'll need to get that from people. So part 13 says, what does the slope of a straight increasing line dt graph represent? Straight increasing, what does that represent? Constant velocity is correct. Constant velocity. Curved increasing dt graph? Speeding up or increasing velocity? Right? I think most people are getting these now pretty good. What does the slope of a straight line decreasing dt graph represent? Oh, I guess we should have said that this one is to the right.
Oh, no, I didn't.
And this one is
I didn't. Oh, straight decreasing.
constant velocity to the left, right?
Oh, wait, what?
Constant velocity to the left. Carolina, you should be watching
Wait,
this.
what is it? Is it slowing down now?
Oh, is it? No, because these are
Yeah, like.
dt graphs, right? These are all dt graphs, so it does not mean slowing down. dt graph, it just means moving to the left at a constant speed.
I didn't even out there, though.
I know it wasn't one that we did today, right?
Not even on the book.
It should be. No?
Not for DT, guys.
16. Guys, give me your attention, please. I don't have too much more time here. 16. Curved decreasing dt graph. Curved decreasing is decreasing. Decreasing velocity to the right. Correct? Now in number 17, it switches over to velocity time graphs. So you have to sort of change gears a little bit in your mind. Straight increasing VT graph. Increasing velocity, right? Increasing velocity, and again it's going to the increasing velocity to the right.
So do you want this, in what terms do you want this? Acceleration, velocity? Because positive acceleration is right as well, isn't it?
I would take positive acceleration, yes. Yep. You're right. Good question. In terms of what?
Because in the DT one, we put it in terms of velocity.
That's true.
I'm assuming it is this one.
Okay, so it would be constant acceleration. Correct, you are. What does the slope of a straight decreasing VT graph represent? So this one here would be decreasing velocity, and in terms of acceleration, that would be constant negative acceleration, and I guess you could say slowing down to the right as well, right? Any of those things. Slowing down to the right.
And then or no?
No, this is just, we're practicing. We're just practicing. Flat negative AT graph. Flat negative means, now you got to be careful here because it could mean speeding up or slowing down, couldn't it, right? It just means, yes, constant negative acceleration. How could it mean slowing down? If the cart's going to the right, if the cart's going to the left, then it's going to be speeding up.
So if I said like constant, like backwards acceleration, like is that no?
I guess, assuming forward is positive. Yeah, fair enough. Flat positive, which would be like this. Flat and positive, so that would be constant positive acceleration. Constant positive acceleration. Okay, now the question was about, that really should say positive, right?
Yeah.
Because we had the acceleration time graph, or we had the acceleration negative. The reason that I had it that way is because in my old room, the computer was on this side here, and so that thing tended to be here. right? So it's kind of backwards. I think, but I've got a better setup here. So how would I make the acceleration time graph positive? How can I get the acceleration
Flipping the thing around.
Start one,
by flipping the ramp this
Take
way
it off
and
the books.
starting that way, right? By changing the angle of the ramp. So because the angle of the ramp is down this way, left, right? You'd have to make the acceleration the other way. That's all it was. It was simple. Simple explanation. Okay, I'm done teaching. You have a handwritten assignment now. It's right here. I won't steal yours. Because I think I have extras. So maybe there. Okay. You have a handwritten assignment that says right at the top. If you can get it done this period, that'd be awesome. You don't have it?
Fill in the
Oh,
blanks.
Okay, so the front side, there's the 3 graphs. You just have to do the other 2. You can easily get that done today. On the back side, you have to actually do the creating 1 or 2 new ones, okay? So at the very least, get the front side done today. Can we get this in by
Friday.
Thursday? Let's see. Okay, at the end of Friday, you have it. The end of Friday, Alex.
Alex is the boy, you're the man, I got it.
Yo,
You can go every Saturday.
got you, boy.